Hi guys, welcome to our channel, it's Malay Philippines. It's Thursday afternoon. We're here in our place in Mabalacat and we're going to show to you the road from Mabalacat and Angeles City. And also, we're near in EDLEX and ECETEX. Okay? And right now we're using motor. This is the NLEX going to Manila, and the other side is going to Baguio. We're going to Mabalacat. This is Sapang Biabas. It's part of a Mabalacat City. So if you have some asthma or some allergic from sun, you use some face mask or cover in your nose. Yes, it's another side of barangay in Bicol.
Hello po, hello. There's a people friendly here.
Yes, there's a friendly here, guys. If they see some vlogger, they will always say hi, hi. It's also time for mango harvest right now. Before, it's 160 the total of a mango, 1 kilo. But if the time of mango right now harvest, maybe it's going down or going low the price. We will gonna update you guys how much the price of mango if it's summer. And right now it's so traffic. This is Marquee Mall.
This time always traffic.
Yes, this time always traffic here. And I'm not recommend you to all drivers here who like corners. So traffic here. So if you use another road, it's better. Hi guys, we're here already. Here in Balibago, Diamond. Agapito del Rosario, Angeles City. And also this part is going to Pangpang. This is San Nicolas Public Market in Angeles City. They call it Rotonda, this road. Open. So we're here already in a street food most famous. because most of from Angeles they go here to eat. That's because of so many choice of or variety of food here in Angeles City. So we're just going to park and also have some juices, siomai, street food, and also some like bars here. You can drink some what name? Red Horse. Hi. Hi guys, we're here in the back of Nepo Mall. So I will gonna show to you the street food here, the back of Nepo Mall. Let's go.
So many people now because finish work.
Yes. I want to buy. You want some calamares?
No, I don't want fry. You buy what you want. Chicken.
Chicken. Squid. Nuggets. And also chicken. This one. So I will buy some drinks. Excuse me.
What you want to buy?
Yakult.
His name Yakult.
Yes, Yakult. They have also melon, calamansi, red iced tea. It's 30 pesos only.
How much?
30 pesos
30
for
pesos.
22 ounce. Pampanga. So we're going to Jollibee to buy some food, and we're going to sit in the CDC for a park, right?
Yes, it's CDC Park.
Yes, we're going to sit there. So we'll just buy some palabok.
You want cheese,
Yes, it's Leon favorite. He's always in Jollibee. He always buys a palabok. And sometimes on the if
Drive through?
yes, if drive through better.
Maybe not, because it's better. So many
It's
people.
up to you.
Hi guys, we now in Jollibee. This is Jollibee Clark. And Shaira already say we going to buy palabok and go to eat in the park. This Jollibee не Royce Hotel, Casino Hotel. Few months ago opened it. This is Royce. Good evening. What you want to eat?
Maybe chicken with spaghetti.
Chicken and spaghetti, okay. And for me palabok.
You don't like chicken?
No, only palabok.
Drinks or don't have drinks?
Drinks I have already, hot water.
So palabok only one.
Only one palabok for me. 260. Thank you. Thank you.
So have visitors parking here. Hi guys, we're here in the park in Clark, Mumalakat, Pampanga, and we're just eating some Jollibee, and for me it's Korean noodles. And thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.